Thiruvan Saranai Banteji, Vandami. Bante, my name is Akhilesh from India. I want to learn Pali to understand the Buddha Dhamma better. Also, in future, may be able to translate in our local language, Kannada,
Hmm.
to people to read and understand Dhamma in a better way.
Beautiful. Thank you, Akhilesh, and so glad to hear. I recently visited Bangalore Mahabodhi Society in Bangalore and also Andhra Pradesh. I've been to also Nagarjunakonda, as Dr. Satish Deepankar mentioned. Yeah, so one of the assignments that you will all get is to create a Pali vocabulary in your own language interpretations. Okay, maybe make a list of Pali words and interpret it. Give some possible translations, the best possible translations in your own language. That will be a wonderful project. I hope that will be a great contribution to Pali. Because we see a lot of translations, and translations can be very challenging because translating from an Asian language, Asian culture to another culture, completely different. It's so different and difficult. So we hope to work with all of you. There could be misinterpretations. So let's make it clear by working together to understand Pali, to give the Pali best possible translations possible. Thank you.
Namo Buddha Bante. I am Ronel from Regina, Canada.
Wait,
And
I'm trying to see you. Okay.
can you see me, Bante?
What's your name again, please?
Bante, my full name is Ronel Chakma.
Hmm.
Currently, I am living in Regina, Canada. And can you hear me, Bante?
I can hear you, but I can't see you. I'm trying to see you. Oh, okay, I got it. Yes, sorry. Yes, please.
Yeah, Bante. And originally, I am from Bangladesh, Bante.
Hmm.
And I am connected with a temple in here.
Hmm.
And I learn about you from the Bhikkhuni Dhammadina
Hmm.
from India.
Yes.
Yeah, last 2 years he visited our temple, Bante. So
Yeah,
I'm learning this class for my personal interest.
very
Thank you.
wonderful. So good, so glad to hear from you. And I know Bhikkhuni Dhammadina, we were working together too.
Abhidhamma, Bante.
Yes, yes. I remember she visited Canada. All right. Thank you for joining us,
Thank you.
Ronel.
Yeah, Ronel, Bante.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mai Nguyen. Mai. I'm in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and I'm interested in learning Bali to read the well of Dharma Sutta myself. I'm so grateful that I got enrolled in the class, and I look forward to learning from all of the respectful monks and also the layer community from all over the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Mai. I think there must have been so many other students who have lately joined or lately filled the form. And I've sent an email. Maybe some of them didn't even read the email. Probably that is one reason why they couldn't join today. And there is a WhatsApp group dedicated. And I noticed like some of the phone numbers may be different from what you have entered in the form. And then we also have a Facebook page dedicated to this Pali class. So all the Pali students from now onwards will join there. Both this only dedicated to Pali language learning. So you are encouraged and welcome to those groups too. And let me know if you have any difficulty later on. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Bante. And also, I'm sorry because I finished the form so many times because I just want to make sure that I got enrolled in the class because I got the determination that I have to learn Pali this year. And suddenly, the cost appears. So I just want to insist that I got. So sorry for filling the form too many times. Thank you.
Oh, okay. I saw some of the people actually did it several times. So that's right. But still, we have like 80 plus people. You know, um, when I removed those repetitions, I found like 80 plus people were there. Thank you. Thank you. All right.
Nama Budaya Bante. My name is Karuna Chinchkhede. I am originally from India, Buddhist, and now settled here in California, Anaheim, California.
Oh.
And yeah, and why I would like to learn Pali. I would like to read the suttas, some of them, and then understand them firsthand. So that is why I'm learning it. So thank you. Thank you for this offering.
Yeah, thank you. And definitely, this is one reason why we need to learn Pali. Otherwise, there are a lot of translations, right?
Yeah.
There could be very challenging situations when it comes to different translations. Sometimes even prestigious translators can make mistakes. We never know. So I think we need to learn it by ourselves. That way we will know what is the right word to translate. There can be some people here. I know some really good friends are here. Some of them are professors, so we can work to get in finding the right interpretation for different Pali terms. But to begin with, we want to start from the very beginning. I don't want to put you, push you into more challenging tasks. Let's slowly and smoothly learn it, and in the course of time, we will definitely learn it better. Thank you for joining us.
Everyone said an Bante. Satima.
Hello.
Calling in this evening from Port Townsend, Washington State, with Venerable Ayananda Bodhi and friends here. And I'm signing up to learn the Pali so that I can understand the teachings of the Buddha directly, much more smoothly, and hopefully to memorize some of the teachings in light of the AI computer generated stuff out there. I thought it would be a good opportunity to learn the suttas by heart as much as possible. So thank you very much for facilitating this wonderful course, Bante.
Thank you, Bhikkhuni Satima. And I know you have been living with Bhante Ji a long time, so you have been exposed to meditation and his wonderful teachings, and you have also learned a lot probably with Aya Ananda Bodhi and that wonderful Parayana Buddhist Vihara community. And we want all of us together to make this wonderful early Buddhist language, the Buddha's language, to be accessible to everyone. And thank you for joining us. Wonderful. Welcome.
Thank you, Bante.
Hi, Bante. Hi, everyone. I'm also calling in from Washington State here with Ayananda Bodhi and Venerable Satima and Venerable Silananda. And I'm very glad that we're doing this as a community practice and looking forward to learning more formally how to understand the basics of Pali so that I can improve my practice and understanding of this. Thank you, Bante.
Wonderful. Good to see you again, Anagarika Kema. You see, like people here in the West, they are also very committed to Buddhism. Lot of wonderful women taking this path to practice Buddhism. We really want to appreciate this thing, to reiterate the fact that Buddhism is growing in the world as a wonderful, peaceful mission. As we know, like peace walks are now more popular, and these wonderful people are also commit themselves to practice the path. And you all can meet them later on. We will meet together more closely in groups to and eventually we will get to know more, and this will be a family working together in understanding the Dhamma, not only Pali but also the other Buddhist teachings. Their compassion, their generosity, their learning of the Dhamma, their understanding of the Dhamma can also be very, very helpful to all of us. Thank you.
Hello, Bante. Hi, from New York. My name is Kirtik, and during the day I work for a Wall Street bond trading firm, but I've learned some Sanskritam as a child and as a slightly older person, and so this I thought was a natural way to learn about a sister language. And obviously, I, like many of the others here, I am interested in the Buddha and various aspects of how Buddhism evolved over time, and also on translations, as you mentioned. So thank you for organizing this.
Wonderful, Kirtik. Are you from Tamil Nadu?
No, my parents are from Kerala.
Kerala, oh, wonderful. Okay, nice. Beautiful. Thank you, Kirtik, for joining us. It should be late in the night today.
Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. It's okay. Not as bad as somebody else who was here at 3 in the morning. I heard earlier. So.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Kirtik, for joining us. Welcome to our Pali community here.
Thank you.
Hello, Bante. This is Ruth in the other room. Yes, I'm joining the class because I'm so fortunate to be near to Bante Sumita and Bante Chandanandaji. I live near to the Fresno Temple, and I'm so curious to understand and deepen my connection with the Buddha's Dharma. So very thankful for what you're giving here tonight and the rest of the course. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ruth. And maybe Amrut also can talk. You know, the Ruth means truth. So we call her T Ruth. Yeah, thank you so much for being a wonderful friend of this temple community. And yeah, looking forward to learning with you both today and in the weeks to come.
My name is Amrit Singh. In the other room as well. My reason to learn Pali is to enrich myself. I was fascinated the first time when I heard Sutta and Pali, even though I did not understand. But if I let those words hit my heart, I feel beautiful vibration, which is very motivating and transformative. I'm kind of greedy to get that more through Pali language, and basically the reason is for the suttas. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Amrut. He is such a wonderful practitioner, especially his enthusiasm in meditation is really, really very deep, and being such a wonderful person, and visiting our temple all the time is really, really wonderful. We feel so honored that you also joined our class with your wife. Thank you.